Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. With lots of sanding projects in this workshop, we are looking for some really high quality sandpaper. We really like this one from 3M. Some of our favorite features of these 6-inch 180 grit sanding discs are the fact that these have a net backing design, which allows for up to 99% of dust extraction. So we have this paired with our portable dust extractor, and it really makes for a super clean work environment. These are also a hook and loop design, so very easy to place on and off of your sander. So there's not a lot of fiddling to put these on or off. It's pretty straightforward and they really stay in place easily. So it doesn't take a lot of time when you are placing your sanding discs on. So we really appreciate that. We also found them to be incredibly durable and they just do an excellent job. So you don't have to put a lot of pressure when you are sanding. These do the job for you. So if you need some quality, long-lasting sandpaper, I would definitely check out this, and that's my point of view.